Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook frozen chicken breast. First, let's talk about thawing. The safest way is in the refrigerator, which takes about 24 hours for a pound of chicken. If you're in a hurry, you can use the cold water method. Just place the sealed chicken in cold water, changing it every 30 minutes. This usually takes 1 to 3 hours, depending on the size. Remember, never thaw chicken on the counter. Once your chicken is thawed, it's time to prepare it for cooking. First, pat those breasts completely dry with paper towels. This step is crucial for achieving a nice, golden brown sear. Then, season them generously. A simple mix of salt, pepper, and garlic powder works wonders, or get creative with your favorite herbs and spices. You can even marinate them for 30 minutes or more for an extra flavor boost. Now for the cooking, you have several great options. For baking, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit and cook for 20 to 30 minutes. If you prefer pan frying, heat a little oil in a skillet over medium-high heat and cook for about 6 to 8 minutes per side until golden. Grilling is another fantastic choice. Aim for 5 to 7 minutes per side over medium heat. The key is to cook until the internal temperature is safe. Finally, let's ensure your chicken is perfectly cooked and ready to enjoy. Always use a meat thermometer to check the internal temperature. It should reach 165 degrees Fahrenheit for safety. Once cooked, let the chicken rest for 5 to 10 minutes before slicing. This allows the juices to redistribute, keeping it tender and moist. Then, serve your delicious chicken breast with your favorite sides, like roasted vegetables or a fresh salad. Enjoy your meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.